Everything on this car is brand new.
Welcome to BB Motorsports, guys. We've got another really cool episode for you guys. Today we've got a 94 Mark 4 Supra actually in here. This thing is built to the gills. It's actually a full frame off rehab. The guy just got finished, just got it tuned in-house by Habibi Motorsports.
This car has literally been gone completely through. Every bolt that you could possibly replace on this car has been replaced.
So this car was actually stripped all the way down to nothing, completely sandblasted, repainted, primed, blocked in. Every dime that could be spent on this paint job was spent on this paint job. Here's the first look at the power plant here. Of course, we had to keep it a 2JZ. He had to keep it a 2JZ. It is fully built. This engine makes roughly all of the horsepower. I'm not sure if the owner wants us to tell you guys how much it makes, so
too much.
That's gonna be a secret for us to keep.
Below, take a guess. How much do you think it makes?
So let's dig into the issues with this car. So
yeah, why is it in here?
It was dropped off to us actually on a flatbed. So initially, what happened is we saw we had some melted wires here. Now these are actually the wires for the crank signal, the crank trigger on this engine. And this engine makes so much heat that the manifold heat, even being a coated downpipe, actually melted through, and you can actually see it down in here. There's a lot of damage. We've got some melted wires in here. So right now we're basically going through, we're trying to figure out, one, why this car won't run. Two, we have a couple of other small things is into the project type of just fine touches, fine tuning. This car is a street car. This car is not going to be on the track. It does have traction control. It does have all of the other goodies that make it honestly a true street car. And this is the most beautiful representation of that. This car still has the stock 6-speed transmission. It is a V160. The owner actually opted to buy a brand new transmission straight from Toyota. I believe the reason that he did that was just so he didn't have to go through any of the rebuild process on the original transmission. The transmission will hold the power. This thing shifts absolutely smooth, perfectly like butter, as it should. From the factory, honestly. Essentially what we have to do today, we're going to be pulling apart some of the wiring harness. There's a short to ground somewhere. That is what caused this car to shut off on the owner and has not restarted since. We're going to dig into this, we're going to get it pulled apart, and we're going to let you guys know kind of what we find and as we go along, and we'll hope to see you guys around.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Guys, check this out. This is like Legends Row. Mark 4, R35, S14. Oh my gosh. What else we got in here? Got this Datsun over here. That's kind of sick. Check out that Fire 720. I'm actually very excited for this car to come down. It's literally been on the lift for probably 7 to 8 months, and I've never seen it on the ground in my life. So I don't think you understand. This car is extremely clean. It's just really dirty.
It is really dirty for being really clean. It's really cool. It's an automatic car, actually, believe it or not. It's got a 1JZ non-VVTi long block in it. It's stock long block. It does have a Garrett G-Series turbo on it. That thing is sweet and it sounds awesome. Beyond that, it's just got your normal upgrades.
Look, even Michael's out here to see this thing.
First time seeing this on the ground, dude.
How long have you been working here and this is your first time seeing it on the ground?
About 6-7 months.
About 2 years ago, this car actually sat in my personal home garage because I actually rewired the entire engine wiring harness to incorporate the standalone, all of the extra sensors for the standalone, the automatic transmission, and made it all plug and play into an S14 chassis.
Keep it a buck. Did you do a burnout?
No. We found the problem. So unfortunately, the problem is actually in this shielded bundle of wires. This red wire is actually shorted into this shield wire somewhere up into the bundle. Unfortunately, with it being a shielded bundle of wires, we will have to actually replace the whole span of wiring. So we're gonna go ahead and just clean that up, replace that whole span. We're gonna replace the connector on it with a Deutsch connector, a little bit easier. Most of you car guys are probably familiar with those and or have worked with them before. And then we actually got the downpipe wrapped overnight. The customer came up, grabbed this downpipe, took it home, and actually wrapped it himself. So it's something that saved me a little bit of time. So we appreciate him for doing that.
Looks pretty good too.
We're gonna add some heat shielding. So one of the things that happened on this engine was it gets really hot. So it melted not only both of the breather lines, the wiring harness, but it also melted the oil drain line from the turbo. And that's actually worse than this. So it's just harder to see. So once I get that out, I could probably show you guys if you want to see it.
Special appearance.
Well, what is this?
It's a Toyota.
Where's the V8?
I don't know. I don't know where the blower's at though.
There ain't no American car?
That's not a supercharger.
That's the alternator?
Yes.
It's a big ass alternator, boy.
Yeah. And it spins, and as far as you have to tell the wife, you need 2 of those.
Well, I'll tell you about these Canadian cars, boy. Shit. This is a combobulator, alternator, carburator?
Yep.
Piece of shit.
Piece of shit.
Should have got a Hellcat, boy.
Should have been a Hemi. We love that guy. I woke up like this, and I don't know what happened. All right, guys, it's been like a week. Ian was on vacation.
Flow rider.
Yeah, he didn't get eaten by any sharks this time.
I got stabbed by a seashell though in the foot.
He probably deserved it. We do have this Supra back together now. Went over everything as far as the engine package goes, the ECU goes, and any of the installation as far as that. Checked over all the wiring on the car, and now we're gonna do just a few basic things to it. We're gonna get the suspension height raised just a little bit. That way it doesn't bottom out when he pulls in his driveway.
Yeah,
Nobody wants to bottom this out.
Hey, check that out, cool.
Yeah, she's pretty low currently. We're gonna come up, I believe, about an inch or so. But we've got everything back together. We've got this thing running and driving now. You guys want to hear it? I know you're dying to. So
yeah.
We're gonna go ahead and give you a first start video, and let's see what it sounds like.
2J cold start. We're going to take it on a test drive in a little bit.
You guys know what time it is. It's time to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that share button.
If you want to see us do the fattest 2-step burnout, make sure you subscribe.
You have to subscribe, and we'll talk to the owner. We'll see if he'll lay some lines for you guys out on a closed course. So hit the like button. If we get enough likes, we'll definitely do it.
Share it to your mamas, your baby mamas, and your baby mamas' mamas.
Whoa. Whoa.
And your kids.
Hey, let's go take a sneak peek for the next video, or one of our next videos we got coming out. We got my personal dream car, dream build here. Check that out, guys. It may or may not have a little extra sauce, if you know what I mean. Stay tuned for that video. Today we are with Charles right here, and this is his insanely beautiful Mark IV Supra that he's been building for quite some time, and he's about to tell you about it. But here's a look at the car, and I'm just gonna have him tell you about it. So
what's going on, guys? Yeah, it's a 94 MK4 Supra. I bought it about 12 years ago. Everything on this car is brand new. It was factory Alpine silver. We converted it to the RSP color that everybody loves. Pretty much started there, and then everything else, motor, trans, bushings, wheels, computer, and the magic works at Habibi Motorsports made it all happen, brought it to life. And it's a force to be reckoned with.
This is a powerhouse racing build for the most part, isn't it?
Yes, everything is powerhouse racing. Shout out to those guys, Sam, great dude. Appreciate everything they've done for me.
Yeah, let's just take a walk around the car real quick. So this is the cleanest Supra that you will probably ever see in your life. And it's a target top as well, so super clean CCW wheels. I mean, look at the interior of this, guys. Absolutely gorgeous car. he is a man of perfection, and he tells us all the time. But we're gonna go ahead and do a ride along with you guys real quick. This car is like fully built, Motec, everything. I don't know how much we're gonna get into it a little bit, but we wanted to take you for a little ride today since it's all finished up. So let's get into it.
Go.
So what's your favorite part about this car? I know it's kind of a crazy.
It's a Supra.
It's a
car I wanted ever since the original Fast movie. And
this thing's rowdy, guys. It's quite the thing to drive. Holy hell, this thing wants to boogie, man. I bet you're excited.
yeah, I mean, driving it the first time about a month ago. I mean,
A lot of time and money into this thing, man.
Yeah, a ton.
You can tell he put a lot of hard work and just sweat into this car.
Yeah.
So it is definitely paying off. So this is map 2. How many maps are in this car?
9.
9 maps? What? Holy shit. Oh my god. Oh my god, dude. This is map 2?
Yeah.
Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy fuck. Oh my gosh. All right, guys, so we hope you enjoyed that ride along. I thoroughly enjoyed the ride along. Big shout out to Charles here for taking us and giving us an experience in this insane Supra. So, you got anything to say, man?
No, I appreciate you guys' work. Love
Yeah.
the attention. Love
Yeah.
the appreciation of the car. Thank you guys so much.
Yeah. Well, guys, that's going to be the end of the video today. If you want to see more stuff like this, make sure you subscribe. We got a lot of other cars. We got a twin turbo Huracan STO in there right now that we're going to be doing a video on this week as well. So stay tuned. We'll see you next time.